If you're an online business, there is a very powerful income threshold that once you hit this, it truly does change everything. It changes everything for your attitude towards online business, for your confidence, and for the proven trajectory of your system. How much is that? Well, it's $1,000 a month. If you can hit that, then you can hit anything. The sky truly is the limit. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about why $1,000 a month is so important, what it does for you, and the quickest way to get there and beyond. For that, stick around. My name's Lane. This is my series called Crush It on Kajabi in 90 Days, where we're talking about Kajabi, which is the best online business platform there is, and this is day 57 of 90. And if you're thinking about jumping on Kajabi, then use my link below, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. You get a 30-day free trial, 30 days to try it out, see if you like it, see if it's the best fit for you. You're also gonna get a 45-minute Zoom call with me. We'll talk about your business, talk about Kajabi, and how to get the best possible start on the platform. And I'm also gonna give you my $25,000 course launch email template, which are the exact emails and email strategy that I used to launch my first course, which made over $25,000 in the first 3 launches. I wanna give you all of that as a way to say thank you for using my link, because it is an affiliate link, so I do get a small commission when you use it. So if you appreciate what we do on this channel and you're gonna jump on a Kajabi anyway, then I would appreciate it so much if you use my link. So as we dive into this, one of the reasons why I feel so strongly that $1,000 a month is so important is that I remember the days of only making $200, $300, $500 a month in my online business and feeling like, gosh, how am I ever going to make enough to live on if I can't even hit $1,000? It seemed like this impossible number that was so out of my reach that I would never get there. So the thought of making $500 or $600 a month was pretty easy because I had been making that. And the thought of making $200 or $300 a month felt like nothing because that was pretty standard and pretty guaranteed. But making $1,000 a month seemed so far out of my reach, so making $7,000 or $8,000 a month seemed impossible to me. And at the time, making $7,000 or $8,000 a month would have been an absolute dream. I would have been like, oh my gosh, I'm living in absolute luxury of online business. And now I know that that's actually way easier than I ever thought. But that first $1,000 is vital. So if you're in that place where you're starting your online business, or you've started and that first $1,000 has not really been reached or not been reached consistently, let's talk about how to get there. Well, first of all, if you think about it, it's just math. And this really helped me so much to think about the fact that really all this is a math problem. You got 30 days in most cases to get to $1,000. $1,000 a month comes out to about $290 a week. So just for nice round numbers, let's just say $300 in a week. So every 7-day period, you need to hit $300. Well, if you have a mini course that sells for $100, that's 3 of those a week, or 1 about every other day. That's actually not that hard to do if you have enough leads coming into your email list. So if you have a mini course and you can focus on just getting that to 3 sales a week, you're at $1,000. But the beauty of online business is that you don't just have one source of income. In most cases, you're gonna find that you build up 5 or 6 sources of income relatively quickly. So let's say you have that mini course and you're selling it for $100, but you're only selling 1 a week. But you also have a YouTube channel that's growing and you're making $200 or $300 a month from ad revenue. And let's say that you also do a little bit of coaching and you're able to charge a couple $100 a month for a coaching client. And let's say that you also have a couple of products that you affiliate promote on your YouTube channel and through your online business, and you're able to make a couple $100 a month through that. And then you add another course to the mix and you're selling that. Well, eventually that $1,000, if you're doing the math, we hit it somewhere around the affiliate promotion mark, and then we continue to exceed it when we added in that next course. What you have to do when you're in online business is you have to think about, what can I do to reasonably and sustainably add another source of income that can begin to give me a couple hundred or $200 or $300, $400 a month extra, more than I'm making now. And this is actually not that hard to do when you're making content, when you're making courses, when you're coaching people, because in any niche, there's always gonna be affiliate opportunities. There's always companies who wanna put their product or service in front of a targeted group of people and will be more than willing to pay you if you're the person that does that. There's always people who will pay for one-on-one coaching. There's always more products that you can make, and there's always opportunity to make ad revenue on platforms like YouTube or in your podcast. So these are things that if you put all these together, it's just math. And what you'll find is that $1,000 a month can be hit and exceeded very quickly, and something changes inside of you when you hit that number consistently. Even if it's just for a couple of months, and you go, wow, if I can make $1,000 in a month, there's no reason why I can't make $5,000 in a month. Because it's just math. It's just more people coming into the system. Maybe it's more products. Maybe it's a larger set of people who are buying affiliate products, but all of that is doable. And if you can hit 1,000, you can hit 5,000, you can hit 10,000 and beyond. It's so exciting to think about, and it's so exciting to live through it, which is what I'm doing and what I want for you. So one of the best ways to do this is to jump onto Kajabi and to begin to build out your online business, and particularly your courses, coaching, membership sites, all of that. It's the best platform there is for this kind of thing. And once you get on there and begin to make your first $1,000, you're gonna be hooked and wanna make more. At this point, you can try out Kajabi using my link below, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. Be sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any videos in the series. And let me know in the comments what questions you have so I can answer them in future videos. At this point, you can check out this playlist right here where we'll go even more in depth into Kajabi and answer any questions that you might have. So click right here on this playlist and I'll see you in there, and we'll talk more about Kajabi.